Insomnia is a common sleep disorder that affects millions of people worldwide, leading to difficulties in falling asleep, staying asleep, or waking up too early. The repercussions of insomnia can be profound, affecting daily functioning, mood, and overall health. While conventional treatments often involve medications that can have side effects or lead to dependency, many individuals seek natural remedies to improve their sleep quality. This article will explore various natural strategies and lifestyle changes that can help cure insomnia and promote better sleep. Understanding insomnia. Before diving into natural remedies, it's important to understand what insomnia is. Insomnia can be classified into two types: acute insomnia, short-term insomnia that typically lasts for a few nights to a few weeks, often triggered by stress, anxiety, or changes in the sleep environment. Chronic insomnia, longer-lasting insomnia that occurs at least 3 times a week for 3 months or more, often requiring more comprehensive treatment. Common causes of insomnia include stress, anxiety, depression, poor sleep habits, medical conditions, medications, and environmental factors. Understanding the underlying causes is essential for effective treatment. Natural remedies for insomnia. 1. Establish a sleep routine. Creating a consistent sleep schedule is one of the most effective ways to combat insomnia. A regular sleep routine helps regulate your body's internal clock and promotes better sleep quality. Here are some tips: go to bed and wake up at the same time. Try to maintain a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends. This helps regulate your circadian rhythm. Create a pre-sleep ritual. Engage in calming activities before bed, such as reading, gentle stretching, or practicing relaxation exercises. This signals to your body that it's time to wind down. 2. Optimize your sleep environment. Your sleep environment plays a crucial role in your ability to fall asleep and stay asleep. Make your bedroom conducive to rest by considering the following factors: comfortable bedding. Invest in a quality mattress and pillows that provide proper support and comfort. Darkness. Use blackout curtains to block out light, or consider a sleep mask to reduce exposure to light. Noise reduction. Use earplugs, white noise machines, or calming sounds to mask disruptive noises. Temperature. Keep the bedroom cool, ideally between 60-67 F 15-19 C. as a cooler environment promotes better sleep. 3. Mind your diet. What you eat can significantly impact your sleep quality. Certain foods and drinks can either promote sleep or contribute to insomnia. Here are some dietary tips. Avoid caffeine and nicotine. Both are stimulants that can interfere with sleep. Try to avoid consuming caffeine coffee, tea, chocolate, and nicotine smoking, vaping several hours before bedtime. Limit heavy meals before bed. Eating large or spicy meals close to bedtime can cause discomfort and disrupt sleep. Aim to finish eating at least 2 to 3 hours before sleep. Incorporate sleep-promoting foods. Certain foods contain nutrients that can promote relaxation and sleep. Consider including almonds and walnuts, rich in magnesium and melatonin, which can help regulate sleep. Bananas, high in potassium and magnesium, which can help relax muscles. Oatmeal, contains melatonin and complex carbohydrates that can promote sleepiness. Herbal teas, chamomile, valerian root, and lavender tea are known for their calming properties. 4. Manage stress and anxiety. Stress and anxiety are significant contributors to insomnia. Implementing techniques to manage stress can improve sleep quality. Here are some effective methods: mindfulness and meditation. Practicing mindfulness meditation can help calm the mind and reduce anxiety. Spend a few minutes each day focusing on your breath and observing your thoughts without judgment. Deep breathing exercises. Try deep breathing techniques, such as the 4-7-8 method, where you inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7 seconds, and exhale for 8 seconds. This can help activate the body's relaxation response. Progressive muscle relaxation. This technique involves tensing and then relaxing each muscle group in the body, starting from your toes and working up to your head. It promotes relaxation and can help you fall asleep more easily. 5. Limit screen time. Exposure to screens before bedtime can disrupt sleep due to the blue light emitted by devices such as smartphones, tablets, and computers. Blue light can interfere with melatonin production, making it harder to fall asleep. Here's how to limit screen time. Establish a digital curfew. Aim to put away all electronic devices at least 1 hour before bedtime. Use blue light filters. If you must use screens in the evening, consider using blue light filtering glasses or apps that reduce blue light exposure. 6. Engage in regular physical activity. Regular physical activity can help improve sleep quality and reduce symptoms of insomnia. Exercise helps reduce anxiety and stress, promotes relaxation, and can make it easier to fall asleep. Here are some tips for incorporating exercise. Aim for 30 minutes of moderate exercise. Activities like walking, swimming, or cycling can be beneficial. Try to complete your workout at least a few hours before bedtime to allow your body to wind down, as exercising too close to bedtime may have the opposite effect for some people. Incorporate relaxing exercises. Activities like yoga or stretching can promote relaxation and help prepare your body for sleep. 7. Herbal remedies and supplements. Several herbal remedies and supplements have been shown to promote better sleep. However, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional before starting any supplements, especially if you're taking medications. Here are some popular options. Melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep-wake cycles. Melatonin supplements can be effective for some individuals, particularly those with circadian rhythm disorders or jet lag. Valerian root, an herbal remedy that has been used for centuries to promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. It may help reduce the time it takes to fall asleep. Chamomile, often consumed as tea, chamomile has calming properties that can aid in sleep. It may help reduce anxiety and promote relaxation. Lavender, the scent of lavender is known for its relaxing effects. Consider using lavender essential oil in a diffuser or applying it to your pillow. 8. Cognitive behavioral therapy for insomnia. CBTI. Cognitive behavioral therapy for insomnia. CBTI is a structured program that helps individuals identify and change thoughts and behaviors that contribute to insomnia. It is considered one of the most effective treatments for chronic insomnia. Here is an overview of what CBTI involves: sleep education, learning about sleep, sleep cycles, and the factors that affect sleep can help individuals understand their insomnia. Cognitive restructuring. This involves identifying and challenging negative thoughts and beliefs about sleep that contribute to anxiety and insomnia. Sleep restriction. Limiting the amount of time spent in bed to improve sleep efficiency. This may involve initially reducing the time spent in bed and gradually increasing it as sleep improves. Stimulus control. This technique encourages individuals to associate the bed with sleep rather than wakefulness, promoting a healthier sleep environment. 9. Keep a sleep diary. Maintaining a sleep diary can help you track your sleep patterns, identify potential triggers for your insomnia, and monitor the effectiveness of different strategies. Here's what to include in your sleep diary. Sleep times. Record the time you go to bed and the time you wake up, as well as any nighttime awakenings. Daily activities. Note your daily routines, including exercise, meals, and screen time. Mood and stress levels. Document your mood and stress levels throughout the day to identify patterns that may affect your sleep. 10. Seek professional help if insomnia persists despite trying natural remedies and lifestyle changes. It may be time to seek professional help. A healthcare provider or sleep specialist can help assess the underlying causes of your insomnia and recommend appropriate treatments, which may include cognitive behavioral therapy or other interventions. Conclusion: curing insomnia naturally involves a multifaceted approach that focuses on lifestyle changes, relaxation techniques, and optimizing your sleep environment. By establishing a consistent sleep routine, managing stress, optimizing your diet, and incorporating physical activity, you can significantly improve your sleep quality. Additionally, exploring herbal remedies and cognitive behavioral therapy can provide further support in overcoming insomnia. Remember that everyone's journey to better sleep is unique, and it may take time to find the strategies that work best for you. Be patient with yourself and remain committed to making positive changes. With persistence and dedication, you can achieve restful nights and rejuvenating sleep, ultimately enhancing your overall well-being.